Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is human error in maintenance. Let's jump right into it. What is human error in maintenance? Human error in maintenance refers to mistakes or omissions made by individuals while performing maintenance tasks. These errors can result from a variety of factors and can significantly impact the safety, reliability, and efficiency of equipment and operations. Some common types of human errors in maintenance. Procedural errors. Failure to follow established procedures or guidelines, either due to oversight, misunderstanding, or intentional deviation. Skill-based errors. Mistakes made due to lack of skill, experience, or training, such as improper use of tools or incorrect assembly of components. Decision errors. Poor judgment or decision-making, often due to inadequate information, time pressure, or stress. Communication errors. Miscommunication or lack of communication between team members, leading to misunderstandings or missed steps in the maintenance process. Planning and scheduling errors. Inadequate planning or scheduling of maintenance tasks, resulting in missed inspections, delays, or incomplete maintenance. Documentation errors. Inaccurate or incomplete documentation of maintenance activities, which can lead to confusion and repeated mistakes. Attention and memory lapses. Forgetting important steps or details, often due to distractions, fatigue, or information overload. Improper use of tools and equipment. Using the wrong tool or equipment for a task, or using tools and equipment incorrectly. Environmental factors. External factors such as noise, poor lighting, extreme temperatures, or cramped working conditions that can contribute to errors. Violation of safety protocols. Ignoring or deliberately violating safety rules and protocols, which can lead to accidents and injuries. Consequences of human error in maintenance. Equipment damage. Mistakes can cause damage to equipment, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Safety hazards. Errors can create unsafe conditions, putting personnel at risk. Production downtime. Equipment failures due to human error can disrupt operations and lead to financial losses. Reduced equipment lifespan. Repeated errors can shorten the lifespan of equipment. 5. Environmental impact. In some cases, human error can lead to environmental damage. Preventing human error in maintenance. Mitigating human error in maintenance involves a combination of training, procedural improvements, better communication, and creating a work environment that supports focus and attention to detail. Here are some strategies to consider. Comprehensive training. Ensure that maintenance personnel receive thorough training on procedures, tools, and equipment. Regular refresher courses can help keep skills sharp and knowledge up to date. Clear procedures and checklists. Develop clear, concise procedures and checklists for maintenance tasks. These should be easy to follow and should cover all necessary steps to complete tasks safely and effectively. Effective communication. Foster an environment of open and effective communication. Encourage team members to share information about equipment status and maintenance tasks and ensure that important information is passed on accurately. Proper planning and scheduling. Plan and schedule maintenance tasks carefully to ensure that all necessary work is completed on time. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and potential impact on operations. Accurate documentation. Maintain accurate and complete documentation of all maintenance activities. This helps track maintenance history, identify recurring issues, and plan future tasks more effectively. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.